Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle support beneath you, the chair, the floor, the earth itself, holding you completely. And you can allow your awareness to drift inward to the simple, natural rhythm of your own breath, not trying to change it, just noticing it. In and out, in and out. With each exhale, a subtle release. With each inhale, a quiet arrival. Here, now, in this moment of safety. And perhaps you can become out of aware of any sensations in your body right now. Any places where you might be holding tension or stress or a feeling of anxiety. And that's perfectly okay. There's no need to push anything away. In fact, by simply noticing it, you've already begun the process of release. You've already created a space around that feeling. Now wonder if you can imagine that sensation, that tightness or worry, not as a permanent part of you, but as a wave, a passing energy that you are simply observing from the shore of your own deep calm. And all we are doing here is reminding that system, gently guiding your awareness back to its natural state of balance. A state where stress simply has nothing to hold on to, and anxiety finds no home. So, let's begin by finding an anchor, a resource of deep tranquility that already exists within you. I'd like you to recall a moment. It doesn't have to be dramatic. A moment when you felt completely safe, deeply relaxed, and utterly at peace. Perhaps it was waking up from a wonderful sleep or watching a beautiful sunset, or feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin on a perfect day. Just allow a memory to surface where the feeling was one of total and complete serenity. Now, step into that memory. See what you saw then. Hear the sounds that were present. And most importantly, feel what you felt in your body. Where did you feel that peace? Was it a warmth in your chest? A lightness in your shoulders? A soft, easy rhythm in your breathing? Immerse yourself in that feeling now. Let it grow. And as it reaches its peak, I invite you to gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand, creating a physical anchor, a neurological link between this profound feeling of peace and this simple touch. Good. Release the touch and know that this resource this anchor of calm is now available to you anytime. Now, we let go of the memory. Calm, I welcome. Quest. This calm is not something I need to find outside of myself. It is the very core of who I am. It resides in the space between my thoughts, in the stillness beneath the surface of my emotions. With every breath I take, I breathe in stillness, and I breathe out any lingering tension. They can't feel this stillness now, spreading from the center of my chest, like a pool of serene, clear water. This shows it flows outward to my shoulders. The flows down my arms to my hands, leaving them heavy and relaxed. It flows into my heart, calming its rhythm into a steady, gentle drum of peace. My mind is becoming quiet. The chatter is slowing. The worries are losing their urgency because I am realizing something profound. I am not my thoughts. I am the aware space in which thoughts come and go. Thoughts, and in this space, there is infinite room for a thought to arise, and room for it to dissolve without needing to pull me with it. Anxiety is just a thought that forgot it was a guest and tried to become the owner of the house. My body knows how to release stress. I find it is a wise and intelligent system, always seeking balance, always moving toward health. I now give my body permission to let go completely. I release the tension in my jaw, allowing it to soften and unclench. I release the tightness across my forehead and my scalp, feeling my brow become smooth and serene. Ease, yet lightness across around my heart and my scalp, feeling my brow become smooth and serene. I release the guard around my heart, and my chest softens as a wave of gentle warmth fills the space. Seth is waitness moments who we can't, and it is responding, fight and heart. There is no threat. There is only this breath, this sensation, this presence. My nervous system is hearing this truth, and it is responding. The alarm bells are quieting. The fight or flight energy is dissolving, transforming into a powerful, grounded calm. This calm is my true strength. It is not weakness. It is the power of presence. From this calm center, I can handle anything. But right now, I don't have to handle anything. Right now, I simply am. A deep sense of relaxation is flowing through my entire being. It's as if every cell in my body is sighing a sigh of profound relief. It rises into my ankles, my calves, my knees, melting away any residual tightness. It moves into my thighs, my hips, my lower back, releasing the foundational weight I've been carrying. My torso is bathed in this warm, heavy relaxation. My stomach soft, my spine supported and at ease. It reaches my chest and heart, and here, the warmth turns into a soft, glowing light, a light of peace. My pores dot spidey of test-like into my head, illuminating my mind from the inside, dissolving any last shadows of anxiety into pure, clear light. My entire body, from the crown of my head to the tips of my toes, is now immersed in this ocean of deep, tranquil relaxation. I am connected to a peace that is greater than myself. My core, I am part of the calm, steady rhythm of the earth, of life itself. Just as a tree is unshaken by the wind because its roots are deep, my roots in this present moment are deep and unshakable. My core being is peace. My core being, with every heartbeat, I pulse peace into my world. With every breath, I circulate calm through my system. This is becoming automatic, natural. My new default setting, a pathway of peace, and I can activate it anytime with a simple touch, and the pathway, a stronger pathway, the pathway of peace. My mind is to stay and activate it anytime with a simple touch. Justly press your thumb and forefinger together now, and a deep remembering breath. Feel that anchored calm flood back instantly, powerfully. This is your resource, always. I now forgive myself for any past tension. I release any judgment about my anxiety. It was all a message call to come home to this peace. And now I am home. My mind is clear. My body is light. My spirit is serene. Caprile stillness with me, like a secret well of cool water inside my heart. No matter how hot the day or how chaotic the world seems, I can always dip into this well and be refreshed. This peace is my power. This calm is my clarity. This release is my freedom. Now could paste. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day, until we meet again in stillness.